Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to remove extra spacing in PowerPoint to make your slides look more professional. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with text spacing issues. If your text looks cramped or too spaced out, here's an easy fix. Select the text with the spacing issue. Now go up to the ribbon and click on the Home tab. Here in the paragraph group, you'll see two important buttons after you tap here. Here you can see spacing, before, after, and line spacing. You can choose different spacing options to reduce spacing. Select 1.0. If there's still extra space at the end of your paragraphs, click on spacing after. You might see a number here. Set it at 0 pt to remove that extra gap. And that's it. Just two simple adjustments and your text space looks perfect. Wasn't that easy? If you like this quick tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.